Welcome. I'm here today to talk to you about PowerBrite's 1100 watt 12 volt power inverter. Now, in case you're wondering what is power inverter technology, it's the idea of taking 12 volts of power from any battery source, such as one in your car, your RV, your boat, or just a standalone car battery, and converting that power into standard household current, which you can see by looking at the end of this inverter. There are two household plugs on there that you'll recognize fairly easily. On the other end of the inverter are two posts, a black and a red one. Just use the included cables that come with your inverter, hook them up to those posts, and use the clamps on the cables to go directly to the battery power source. At that point, it will begin providing you with 1100 watts of power. Now, how much is 1100 watts? It's enough to power any digital camera, any camcorder, any laptop or cell phone, all the way up to, say, the blender off your kitchen counter, to a mini refrigerator, to a television of just about any size, or even a microwave. Now, if you are looking to hook a microwave up to your inverter, let me warn you, on the front of the microwave is cooking power. That is not the wattage consumed by the microwave. Turn the microwave around, and on the back, the manufacturer will have listed the power consumption, the wattage being used by the microwave to power it. That is the number you want to go by. And you can hook those directly up to your PowerBrite 1100 watt inverter. This particular inverter also has this beautiful aluminum casing, super rugged. So if you want to mount it permanently into your RV or your boat, you can do that. And it even has a mounting plate that comes on the back of it to make that easy. This inverter also has an LED display on the end. With the flip of a switch, you can go from monitoring in real time the amount of power being drawn through the inverter to power your device, or the amount of power being brought in the other end of the inverter from the power source to show you how much power is coming out of your battery. It really is forward thinking when it comes to their engineering. They actually have circuit protection inside this inverter, which will protect you from drawing your car, boat, or RV battery down to no power at all. If the inverter senses that the battery is running low, it will automatically shut itself down so that you can be sure if you have it hooked up to your boat, you won't end up stranded out on the water. Or if you have it hooked up to your car or your RV, you'll still be able to turn that engine over even though your inverter was hooked up. You have that extra level of protection. In addition, there's overload circuit protection. So if too much power is pulled through the inverter will automatically shut itself off. In addition, it has 3 fuses on the end. These 3 fuses are another level of protection against overload. Most inverters position the fuses inside the casing. On the PowerBrite inverter, they're accessible right on the end, making it very simple to replace them as needed. It's incredible engineering, and there really is no other company on the market making inverters like PowerBrite. This is the PowerBrite 1100 watt 12 volt inverter.